Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we are looking at basic information about chloramines from the EPA. So what are chloramines and what do they do? Why are they important? We're going to get into that. So first of all, chloramines are disinfectants used to treat drinking water. You may be familiar with chlorine. It's a bit different though. Chloramines are mostly commonly formed when ammonia is added to chlorine to treat drinking water. The most typical purpose of chloramines is to protect water quality as it moves through the pipes. So a lot of people ask, why are they adding chlorine? It is to make sure that as water is going through the pipes, you don't pick up contaminants, you don't pick up other issues that will come back to you. Chloramines provide long-lasting protection as they do not break down quickly in water pipes. Now there's different types of chloramines. There's monochloramine, there's dichloramine, there's trichloramine, and organic chloramines. When chloramines are used to disinfect drinking water, monochloramine is the most common form. Dichloramine, trichloramine, and organic chloramines are produced when treating drinking water, but at much lower levels than monochloramine. Now trichloramines are typically associated with drinking water in use with swimming pools. So the chlorine, a lot of people think that they're using in water is not necessarily all the same. There's different types of chlorine and it's used for different purposes. Some may be used to clean your drinking water while they might use stronger ones to clean the pool. And that's why you can actually sometimes even taste it or, detect it when you're using a pool or something like that. The Environmental Protection Agency regulates the safe use of chloramines in drinking water. So what are the standards that they have? Well, the EPA requires water utilities to meet strict health standards when using chloramines to treat water. So they are regulating that. It's also the Department of Health in your state that will be taking a look at that as well. The EPA chloramine regulations are based on the average concentration of chloramines found in a water system over time. So it's not always instant. It takes a while to see the concentration of chlorine and ammonia and the chloramines and how much is in the water. Also, the EPA regulates certain chemicals formed when chloramines react with organic matter in the water, and that's something to take a look at. So there are beneficial uses to chloramines, and there are a lot of good things they can do to treat drinking water, such as disinfecting, making sure that your water is safe to drink, and also it is regulated by the EPA, and they want to make sure that the levels aren't too high. That being said, there can always be an issue where the levels are too high, where they're not optimal, where there's problems. Chloramines can cause problems. So it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for higher levels of chloramines.